If you're a meat lover, I highly suggest you try this recipe of a juicy beef sandwich with homemade red sauce. Here are the ingredients. Your favorite type of bread, a handful of cherry tomatoes, some fresh rosemary, 1 large onion, 2 large mushrooms sliced, your favorite cheese, 400 grams of lean cut beef, 1 bell pepper, 4 garlic cloves, salt, pepper and thyme, and some olive oil, and fresh lettuce as much as you love. Before you start, wash the lettuce and keep it in cold water to preserve the crunchiness in it. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Preheat your pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the tasty-looking sliced mushrooms to the hot oil, but don't stir it too much. Wait until they are soft and then remove them and set them aside for a bit later. Slice those onions into thin slices that are pretty as well as tasty. Chop 2 garlic cloves into tiny pieces. Add those thin onion slices and the chopped garlic to your pan. Wait until they are soft. Add your beef to the pan with 1 strand of fresh rosemary. Add a pinch of pepper and a dash of thyme. Cook on medium heat for 20 minutes until the beef is juicy and tender. Add those mushrooms you prepared earlier to the pan and let the juice of the beef sink into it for about 10 minutes. Add a pinch of salt as well. Here's how you prepare the sauce. Chop those beautiful cherry tomatoes into halves. Chop the crunchy fresh bell pepper into medium pieces. Place the cut veggies on an oven tray with 2 cloves of garlic. Add some olive oil, pepper and thyme. Put the tray in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Mix the beautiful ingredients in the food processor. Cut that beautiful bread up. You can now spread the red sauce on your bread. Add a few slices of cheese on top, with the prepared beef spread evenly across. Let it bake in the oven for 5 minutes if you're into that thing. Add your lettuce and close your eyes. Take a bite and let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, like the video, subscribe to our channel. And remember that sharing is caring.